Good morning. This is a recording for Friday, May 30th. The Zen story for today is titled The Bamboo Bridge. How do you trust what shifts beneath you? Sora stood at the edge of the bamboo bridge, watching it sway over the wide river. The rain had passed, but the current still churned violently below. An old ferryman, watching from his hut, stepped out as Sora hesitated at the edge. "It looks unsteady," Sora said. "Will it hold?" The ferryman smiled, but gave no answer. He picked up a fallen leaf and dropped it onto the bridge. The leaf trembled, then settled. Sora frowned. "A leaf is not a man." The ferryman gestured toward the river. "Is the water solid?" "Of course not," Sora replied. "It is always moving." "And yet, does it not hold the boats?" the ferryman asked before stepping back into his hut. Sora looked at the bridge again. The wind sighed through the bamboo. The river rushed below. The leaf lay still. Taking a breath, he placed one foot forward. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a moment to relax your body, arriving into stillness. Maybe close your eyes and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you, the quiet spaces between sounds. Be in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. Now take a moment to reflect. What structures in your life feel unsteady, yet may be stronger than you assume? What structures in your life seem unsteady, yet may be stronger than you assume? How do you determine whether to trust the ground beneath you or not? How do you determine whether to trust the ground beneath you or not? Now bring your hands to your heart and as always send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections and to also check out our private circle group for practical suggestions for Zen moments during the day. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.